Let's make delicious Nigerian chin-chin. Keep mixing until the dough becomes soft. Now I'll cut it into small cubes. Wow, they're turning golden brown. Try this recipe at home.
Let's cook special jollof. Wash your rice properly. Blend the pepper mix. Fry the stew base. Add the rice now. Grill the juicy chicken. It is perfect. Food is ready. Like and follow for more.
Now, before creating a storyboard, there are basic things you need to know. Now, the first is the story idea. What is your story all about? Okay, what is it all about? Then the second is main character. Who is your main character? Is it a man? Is it a woman? Is it a boy? Is it a girl? Is it animal? Now, the third thing you need to know is your background. The background or your location. Where does the story happen? Is it in a kitchen? Is it in a market? Where does the story happen? Now, the fourth thing you need to know is character action. What is your character doing? Is your character cooking? Is your character running? Is your character playing? Is your character like, what is your character really doing? Now, the fifth thing you need to know is the camera angles. Is it a wide shot? Is it a medium shot? Is it a close-up? Is it over the shoulder shot? Which of them? Now, the sixth thing you need to know is the facial expression. How should your character look? Is your character happy? Is your character excited? Is your character smiling? Is your character amazed? Is your character proud? Is your character sad? Now, these are the basic things you need to know. Seventh thing you need to know before creating a storyboard is, does it have a dialogue? Does it have a dialogue? What does the character say? What does it say? Or you don't want a dialogue? Now, the eighth is the sound effect. The background sound is not compulsory, but you can as well add it in order to spice up, your video. Now, the last is your scene transition. Okay, so these are the easiest way to create your storyboard, from story idea to character to background to action to camera angle to expression to dialogue and sound transition. Now, without wasting much of your time, let me show you how to create your own storyboard by yourself. You don't need to pay anyone for this. Let's get started. So now, let's say that you don't have anything at all. You don't have any story idea on your mind. Now, it's now late for you to come to ChatGPT to express yourself on what you really want. Okay, so this is the prompt which I actually used. It's quite lengthy, as you can see. It's very, very lengthy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop it on my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Okay, you're going to see this in there. All right, now after I must have dropped my my prompt here on ChatGPT, what I'm going to do now is to add I'm going to add a dialogue to it. It's not compulsory. Most storyboards actually sends a message. Most of them, they don't talk, but you will see the expression and everything. You understand what is really happening. It's not a must that your storyboard must have a dialogue. It's not a must, but what they display, the art they display, you will definitely understand what is really going on. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is to tell it to add a dialogue to it. Okay, now before telling ChatGPT to add a dialogue to it, as you can see, your storyboard and mine might not be the same. So mine has 5 scenes. This is scene 1, preparing ingredients. The boy pours flour into a large transparent glass. This is scene 2. This is scene 3. This is scene 4 and scene 5. Now yours might be more than this. It actually depends on what you are really working with. Okay. All right. So, for me, I love using this microphone to express myself, to tell ChatGPT, this is what I really want. This is what I want. I want you to create for me. You can just narrate whatever thing that is in your mind, but you have to add a storyboard. Okay, so if you want the same prompts which I used, I'm going to drop it in the Telegram link. You will see it right in there. All right, so I'll go ahead and write this, add dialogue to this very storyboard. So I'll hit generate. Now, there's a possibility that I might use this dialogue and there's a possibility that I might not use this dialogue. You understand? All right. So what I'm going to do is write this, add the dialogue alongside inside the storyboard. Okay, I'll hit generate. Now, have you seen it? It has been actually added. This is it. Now, what else I'm going to do now is to tell ChatGPT to generate the image. It is not compulsory. It's not compulsory that you must generate an image, but let's try this out. So I'm going to generate the image of this very boy, okay, so that you will see it clearly how it was, whether the image and the storyboard actually correspond. So what I'm going to do is to write generate in 16:9 aspect ratio. Okay, generate in 16:9 aspect ratio of the storyboard aspect ratio. The boy is dark skin with neat hair cut. You know, use the desired outfits, maybe like a chef, you know. Okay, so after this, I'll add in a pizza 3D animation. Now, I don't know the style you are using, whether it's a realistic style, a pizza 3D style, an anime style, a cyberpunk, whatever thing it is, just, you know, go ahead with it. So it's generating the image for us. So I have to wait for a few minutes and we'll get back. The image is ready. This is the storyboard image. As you can see, it is consistent. Can you see that? Can you see that? This is it. Okay, this is it. And this is it. All right, so once you've generated your image, what you need to do is to click here and download your image. So it has been saved. Okay, so the next thing you are going to do is to copy. You see this prompt, this is our dialogue and the prompt. I'm going to copy it now. Let's head to our browser. Now use any preferred browser of your choice. I'm using my Chrome browser. Kindly go to your Chrome browser. When you go to your Chrome browser, search for Flow. They are using Flow for this. Now, before using Flow, make sure you sign up with your Google account. Yes, it's important. If you haven't been using it for a while, make sure you sign up. All right. So right now, I'm going to sign up with it. After signing up with it, I'm going to click on the plus icon. Now, if you experience something like this, just select see what's new, select get started, and now you see display that it's playing agent. Just click on it so that it will turn to black. Yeah. Now this is where what I'm going to write here, because most times Flow misbehaves. What I'm going to do is to write this: maintain the image reference. Do not change. Do not change the appearance or the description. So I normally use this command whenever I'm generating anything with Flow, so that it will not change anything, because most times it does change it. So I'll paste my prompt. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the plus icon. When you click on the plus icon, you're going to see upload media. Click on upload media and, you know, select the image you generated. This is the image I generated. I'm going to click on add. Now you have to wait. You have to wait until it's done loading before you add to prompt. So let's wait. Okay, as you can see, what you have to do is to just select add to prompt. Click on it. Now when you click on it, then the next thing you're going to do is to click here. Let me zoom it so that you see it properly. This is placed on Nano Banana Pro. So what you have to do is to tap on it and go to video, and you choose your aspect ratio. Make sure you set it up. I'm going to choose 16:9. Now for the output is 1 one. I want you to generate one in order to preserve our credits. Okay, now I'm going to use Omni Flash. Now you can use 8 seconds, you can use 3 seconds or 4 seconds, but I'm using Omni Flash because using the Pro. Now this doesn't mean that you cannot use it if you're using the free. I have the free plan. I have the free I use the free method as well, but I cannot generate 10 seconds. What I can generate is, the limit is 8 seconds. It's only those that are using the Pro that can actually use 10 seconds. I hope you understand. So what I'm going to do is to click on generate. Now you have to wait as it's generating our storyboard. Okay, so let's wait. It's on queue. So we are going to wait till the result is, it doesn't waste much time. Okay, it's generating our video. Right, our video is ready. Like I said, it doesn't waste time. Our video is ready. So what you have to do is to click on it. Just click on it. Then you see right here where my arrow is pointing at. Click on it and download. All right, click on it and download your video. That's the first thing I used to do. I used to download it. It has been downloaded. Now this is the video.
Let's make delicious Nigerian chin chin. Keep mixing until the dough becomes soft. Now I'll cut it into small cubes. Wow, they're turning golden brown. Try this recipe at home.
This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I believe you love the results. This is astonishing. Okay, so if you want to create your storyboard, this is how to do it. The simplest way to create your storyboard. Okay, now let's try something else. So what I'm going to do is to go back to ChatGPT. Now this is the storyboard which I wrote here. Create a storyboard of a young, beautiful, dark-skinned lady cooking hot jollof rice with chicken. Okay, so this is what I want to use for this specific tutorial. Now whatever storyboard that comes in your mind, whatever thing you want to create, you can do it easy peasy. Okay, now this is the prompt which I used. So after that, what you have to do is to hit generate. Now if you want to describe any outfit of your choice, like you want a specific outfit which she is, you know, wearing, you can as well describe it. So let's describe an outfit. So I'm gonna write she's a white t-shirt and a straight fitted knee length, knee length jean skirt and a slippers. She's on an apron with the description Coach Mira AI. So after this, what you have to do is to hit generate. Okay, so let's hit generate. Now it is actually generating an image for me, but I never requested for this. In case you experience something like this, what you have to do is to write. You can hold on until it's done generating it. Now normally it's going to generate something else for me. It's going to generate a realistic image for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel it and copy this prompt and press it again. Create a pizza 3D storyboard. Add dialogues. I'm going to add not image, so that to be aware that I don't want it to generate an image for me. Okay, so this is the storyboard. Okay, now generate the image in 16:9 aspect ratio. Do not add any script or dialogue to this image. Okay, so I'll hit generate. Now it's going to generate my image for me. Now this is the prompt. As you can see, this is it. This is it. Okay, can you see? This is the fastest way to create your storyboard. This is the fastest. It's very, very easy. So let's wait for the image to be ready. Our image is ready. So this is her. Can you see? It's up to 10 sin. Oh my goodness. This is too much. This is too much. Okay. This is quite much. It's up to 10 sin. Okay. All right. Notwithstanding, let's try it out. It is 10 sin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, cut this. I'm going to cut it in 5 sins so that it's my, the Google, the Omni can accommodate this. I'm not going to press all the 10 sin. You understand? So what I'm going to do is to copy it. Then, okay, let's try it out and see. Let's try it out and see if it's going to accommodate all of them. There's no harm in trial. Let's try it out. So I'm going to click here and select upload media. I'll click on add. You have to wait until it's displaying. So click on add to prompt. Now, as you can see, it is displayed here. I'm going to paste it. Now, when I paste it, I'm going to click on hit generate. Now, let's try out if it's going to work out. My finger crossed. Normally, it's supposed to be at least 5 scene. The scene is quite lengthy, 10 seconds with dialogue. Maybe I shouldn't have added the dialogue. But let's see. Let's see how it's going to turn out. It doesn't waste much time. If it doesn't turn out good, then I have to go back to ChatGPT to ask it to generate 5 scene. Generate images 5 scene. Okay, like 1 to 5 and 6 to 10. So let's not say never. So let's wait for the results. Okay, the video is ready. The video is ready. Who is ready? So let's click on it and download it. Click here and download your video. Okay, download your video. Okay, so let's play it and see the results.
Let's cook special jollof. Wash your rice properly. Blend the pepper mix. Fry the stew base. Add the rice now. Grill the juicy chicken. It is perfect. Food is ready. Like and follow for more.
Wow, it actually came out good. I never thought that it's come out good because it's up to 10 scene and there is dialogue in all of them. Wow, this is beautiful. So which one are you going to try out first? I want to see your result. If this tutorial was really helpful, don't forget to share this video. Share this video, drop a comment, a positive comment, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'll be dropping tutorials back to back. Make sure you don't miss any tutorial at all. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.